it's nice to see woodpeckers just feeding on my new bird feeder. Which is nice to see my new bird feeder being used. The one I made on the table outside. Wildlife and conservation. Feed wild birds and enjoy pleasant sights. Yeah, when it comes back I'll video it. Nice to see it. So that's an excellent tip. If you want to see some wildlife outside your window, you make a bird feeder and attach it to something, you might see a pleasant surprise. So if you've got a small garden, if you plant some shrubs and trees, create a little bit of habitat for wildlife. Maybe plant buddleia or some other flower or shrub which encourages butterflies. Lilac's quite good. Lavender's quite good to encourage bees. Yep. If everybody tries to do a little bit in their lives, world will be a better place, richer in all ways, variety of flora and fauna, biodiversity.